Hello everybody, today you will be making a paper origami Santa Claus with me. If you have an A4 piece of paper, your first job is to make a square. You can line up the top edge with the side edge, and you will fold along the diagonal line. You can then cut off the bottom piece of paper. Now that you have a square piece of paper, you will fold along this vertical dotted line, and you will try to match edges 1 and 2 together. You will repeat this for the top and bottom. You will try to fold horizontally, matching the top edge and the bottom edge. This will create a sort of windows shape, and in the next step, you will rotate the piece of paper so that the diagonal line is lined up in the middle. You will then fold backwards on dotted lines number 1 and number 2, and on dotted line number 3, you will fold inwards. This is very important because in the next step, when you are trying to fold the paper into its proper shape, this will help you a lot. You will also notice that there are 4 dotted lines at the very bottom. You will fold these inwards, and this will create sort of a bar. You will keep this bar until the next step. The next step, you will flip the piece of paper over, keeping the orientation the same. You will still have the bar at the bottom, and now you will see that the creases in the paper will naturally try to fold itself inwards, and you will get the resulting shape. After this step, you will fold along the dotted line, and you will fold the top point to the bottom point, and then you will rotate the paper 180 degrees until the right angle is pointing up. In the next step, you will fold the top point downwards along the dotted line, keeping around a 1 centimeter gap. This will be where you draw the eyes for the Santa Claus. To make the mustache, you will again fold along the dotted line. This will be around half a centimeter from the top edge. Then you will flip the Santa Claus over, keeping the orientation the same. And you will fold along the dotted line, and you will try to match points 1 and point 2 together. You will do the same for the other side, and this will create a square shape. From here, you will fold the top 2 edges inwards along the dotted line, and you will try to match points 1 and point 2 together. You will then reach the final product. This is the back view of the Santa Claus, and this is the front view of the Santa Claus. You can decorate the Santa Claus however you like, but I suggest coloring the bottom part and the hat part in red. Try to make all your folds as neat as possible. Thank you for watching, and I hope you are successful in creating your own paper Santa Claus.